Another example I use is a story about the labourer in a Japanese factory who were making glass diodes for the electronics industry, and catastrophic failure in the flow of Kanban. So everyone was trying to stop the customer who'd gone on stop, and they could not find anything that had happened in the process that had caused the problem. So they invited everyone to a meeting in the middle of the factory and asked them to think about changes that had happened. And they all went off again. And one gentleman whose job it was to unload the beads of glass into a furnace, eventually and rather shyly came forward and said he'd noticed that since the supplier had been delivering glass beads by rail instead of by road, the beads seemed to have settled out, perhaps the different motion in the delivery process. And therefore, when he tipped the beads into the furnace, he noticed that the small ones were going in before the big ones, and that was different. So when they checked that out and found that whatever the reason, that simple change had made some chemical effect or electrical effect in the manufacture of diodes. So that solved the problem. And when the labourer went off shift that night, he found that all of the directors were at the gate on either side, bowing low in respect as he went out. And that's always stuck in my mind as Japanese directors recognising that the person who is doing the actual hands-on work has a pair of eyes and is able to contribute to the whole.